sky titan, a giant that almost vanished from the skies. This is the California Condor. With a wingspan reaching nearly 10 feet, it is one of the largest flying birds on Earth. And its powerful wings carry it effortlessly for miles. Found in the vast skies of North America, across cliffs, canyons, and open wilderness. Its hooked beak is built for tearing, while its strong talons grip with precision. A design made for survival in the wild. Unlike most predators, it does not hunt. It survives by feeding on the dead, keeping the wild clean and balanced. Today, only a few hundred remain, but through care and conservation, the sky titan rises again.